Data 360 Overview: what it is, how it works, and why it matters. Welcome back to CloudMind Academy, where we make Salesforce concepts simple, practical, and easy to remember. Today we're breaking down Salesforce Data 360, what it is, how it works, the key terminology, and why companies are investing in it right now. If you've ever heard someone say, Salesforce has the data, but it's scattered everywhere, Data 360 is built to solve exactly that problem. What Data 360 is, in plain English. Salesforce Data 360 is a customer data platform, also called a CDP, built directly into the Salesforce ecosystem. Its job is to pull customer data from multiple places, like CRM, marketing tools, e-commerce platforms, service systems, even external sources, and connect it into one unified customer profile. So instead of seeing a customer as 5 different records in 5 different systems, you see one customer with a complete view of their journey. Quick history note. Data Cloud used to be called Customer 360 and Salesforce Genie. Then Salesforce renamed it to Data 360 in 2025. Why Data 360 exists? The so what? Businesses don't just want more data, they want cleaner data, connected data, and usable data. Data 360 gives companies a near real-time way to unify customer records, build segments, activate those segments in marketing and beyond, and improve decision-making across teams. Think of it like this. Data 360 turns scattered data into a customer story. The core steps of Data 360, the flow you need to memorize. If you're studying for certification or working with Agentforce, you need the Data 360 flow on lock. Here's the lifecycle. 1. Connect and ingest data. This is how data enters Data 360. Data ingestion simply means importing data from various sources into Data 360. Common ingestion methods include Salesforce connectors, SDKs, the Ingestion API. 2. Transform and model data. Once data is in, it needs structure. This is where the data model comes in, a standardized way to organize data elements and relationships. 3. Harmonize data. Harmonization is mapping imported data into the Data 360 data model so it can be used consistently. This is basically different systems call the same thing different names. Let's map it into one standard structure. 4. Unify data, identity resolution. Identity resolution, also called unification, is how Salesforce matches and reconciles records to build a unified profile. This is where you'll hear terms like match rules, reconciliation rules, rulesets. You're essentially teaching Data 360. Here's how to recognize that these records are the same person. 5. Segment and analyze. Once you have unified profiles, you can create segments. Segmentation is breaking down your data into useful groups, for example, high-value customers, customers who abandoned carts, customers likely to churn, customers eligible for an upgrade. 6. Activate. Activation is taking those segments and pushing them into external platforms. That might include things like marketing or ad platforms, email systems, Salesforce activation destinations like Marketing Cloud, engagement. And an activation target is just the destination plus the authentication details needed to send the data. Data 360 access. This is where Data 360 starts doing the magic. Here's a detail that confuses people. You access Data 360 from the Salesforce core platform, but the data that's ingested is stored in an off-core data lake managed by Salesforce. Translation. You work in Salesforce, but Data 360 stores the data in its own managed environment designed for scale and near real-time processing. Also important, Data 360 is billed separately from other Salesforce licenses. Key terms you must know. Let's hit the core vocabulary in plain English. Data 360. a platform that organizes and integrates data from Salesforce and external systems. Data Lake, a repository for raw and transformed enterprise data. Data Model, a standardized structure for organizing data and relationships. Data Streams, the connections and datasets coming into Data 360. Data Connectors, specialized data streams that connect to external sources. Data Source, any system that exchanges data with Data 360. Data transform tools inside Data 360 to clean, combine, and prepare data. Primary Key, a unique identifier for a record, like an email address or product. Foreign Key, a field that connects one dataset to another by referencing a primary key. Composite Key, a combination of fields that together uniquely identify a record. Identity Resolution, matching and reconciling records to build unified profiles. Match Rules, rules that decide how records are linked. Reconciliation Rules, rules that decide which source wins when data conflicts. Rulesets, a combined set of match and reconciliation rules. Unified Profile, the final result, a single record that represents the customer across sources. Data 360 Business Value, what companies actually get. Data 360 creates value in 3 big stages. 1. Connect, ingest, federate. Unify customer data at scale using out-of-the-box connectors. 2. Harmonize, unify, predict. Track data back to original sources and enhance it by connecting datasets. 3. Understand and act. Use the data to drive personalization, automation, and better customer experiences. Real use cases: sales, service, marketing. Sales helps reps with real-time insights and personalized offers during live interactions. Service supports proactive service through alerts and better customer visibility. Marketing creates personalized messages that adjust in real time based on customer behavior. Final wrap. So if you remember nothing else, remember this. Data 360 is Salesforce's way of taking scattered customer data from everywhere and turning it into one unified profile that the business can actually use. And the core flow is ingest, to harmonize, to unify, to segment, to activate. That's the Data 360 story. If you're learning Data 360 for Agentforce or studying for certification, save this lesson. And in the next video, we'll go deeper into identity resolution and how unified profiles are built, because that's where most people get stuck.